Hello students, after break we are continuing with Trojan horse attack. We are already discussed Trojan horse arrives via email or software like free games. In daily uses, the youngsters are install so many games and also play online. We are also clicking so many email links to download a particular games. All are goes to this kind of attack called as a Trojan horse attack. Trojan horse is activated when the software or attachment is executed. Now, another thing, the Trojan horse releases virus. It also monitors computer activities, installs a backdoor, or transmit information to hackers. Those attack, the denial of service attack. In those attack, a hacker compromises a system and uses that the system to attack the target computer, flooding it with more requests for services than the target can handle. In a distributed DOS attack, hundreds of computers known as zombies are compromised, loaded with DOS attack software, and then remotely activated by the hackers. Then spamming attacks, sending out email messages in bulk. It is electronic junk mail. Spamming can leave the information system vulnerable to overload. It is a less destructive, used extensively for e-marketing purpose. What does it mean? Security is a quality or state of being secure, to be free from danger. But what are the type of security we have to be concerned with? First is physical security, addresses the issues necessary to protect the physical items, objects, or area of an organization from unauthorized access and misuse. Next is personal security, addresses the protection of the individual or group of individuals who are authorized to access the organization and its operation. The next is operations security, the protection of the details of particular operation or series of activities which is performed during live interaction or some kind of compilations or some kind of execution that are considered in operations security. This is a basic meaning of security. We are studying a physical, personal and operational security. Then next is communication security, is concerned with protection of organizations communication media, for example your internet connectivity, your ERP systems, your live applications. There are so many technology and content. Network security, it is a protection of networking components, connections and contents. The next is information security, the protection of information and its critical elements, including the systems and hardware that use, store and transmit that information. So why we need security? The need for security, the industry need for information security. There are a big huge difference between information and data. Data is a raw fact without meaning, and information have certain specified format. For example, date in format of date, month, and year. An organization need information security for important reasons are to protect the organization's ability to function, to enable the safe operation of application implemented on the organization's IT systems, to protect the data the organization collect and use, to safeguard the technology assets in use at the organization. This is all about needs. Now, information security threats are the act of human error or failure, for example, accidents and mistakes. Second is compromises to intellectual properties, for example, piracy, copyright, infringement. The next is acts of espionage or trappage, unauthorized access and data collection. The third party can access your database and do malicious activity in your data. Acts of information extortion, for example, blackmail of information disclosure like a Bitcoin or ransomware attack. Acts of sabotage or vandalism, the destruction of systems or information. Next is the software attacks. You are already aware with the viruses, worms, macros, and denial of service. Information security threats are forces of nature, that means fire, flood, there are all natural, earthquake and lightning. The quality of service, deviation from service providers, power and WAN service issues. There are network connectivity issues, the electricity issues are examples. Technical hardware failure or errors, equipment failures. Your device is a bulk of hardwares are interconnected. The hardware failures are also caused just one kind of security threats. Technical software failures or errors like bugs, code problems and unknown loopholes. Technical obsolescence are antiquated or outdated technologies. Outdated technologies are also need to upgrade regularly for security. The act of human error or failure, the protection against hackers, viruses and worms, and rose in benefits, e-trust security solutions. This is a one kind of block for case studies. Here you seen soldier surfing take many forms. Some may not be obvious. Someone look around your activities and it goes straight to your data. This is a traditional hacker profile. Is a male delinquent computer genius which is learned, and modern hacker profile age between 12 to 16, male or female, unknown background with varying technological skill levels, may be internal or external to the organization. We can take this is one kind of example and sources from Parker DB Fighting Computer Crime Valley 1998. Information security tools such as policy, awareness, training, education and technology are necessary for the successful application of information security. The NSTI SSC The National Security Telecommunication and Information System Security Committee model of information security is known as the CIA triangle of three clauses: confidentiality, integrity and availability. These are characteristics that describe the utility value of information. Now we are continuing after some time. It's a time of break.